I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Humans are actually batteries, and we are powered by sunlight. What we're already learning is that water transduces energy emitted by the sunlight. And what we're finding is under the right circumstances, this can actually create an electron flow. And when you can separate charges, that means you can actually create a battery inside the cell. And we can already see this in the context of structured water. Now, this is the electron transport chain that you'll find in each mitochondria. And you will notice that even in here, there is a difference in charge from inside and outside the mitochondrial matrix. You'll also notice that the two end products are water and ATP, which we use for energy. This is the same water that plants need in order to undergo photosynthesis and how we contribute to this cycle along with carbon dioxide. So sunlight not only stimulates photosynthesis in plants, but also acts as a catalyst for the batteries inside of us, which are our mitochondria. So how do we maintain this electron gradient and battery? I would start with consuming foods that are rich in electrolytes, which maintains the structured water inside of us. I would also make sure that I'm getting sun exposure every single day on the skin and through the eyes. I would also be wary of any sort of non-native EMFs that we're exposing ourselves to, particularly things that we wear or being on screens all day or plugging into our ears like AirPods. These can actually steal those electrons and weaken the battery that is us. So where are you getting started today?